Hi, I'm Claire and I'm part of the sales team here at Dometic Leisure Kingdom, and we've just taken delivery and we are very, very lucky to have the Elddis CV60. Whilst we're doing the video, we are going to battle with the gardener that's mowing obviously our paddock on the front of the showroom, so bear with. There we go, one man and his mower. So let's have a closer look around this. It's a 2023 and it's on the Fiat Ducato. It's an automatic gearbox, and we've chosen to spec this vehicle with alloy wheels. As we go down the side, you can see it has got the underslung gas. Here, you've got the ports where you drain off your fresh water, which is blue, or your dirty water, which is grey. This here is the air intake for your whale heating and hot water system, and this here is where any fumes that are caused from that do come out. This is a water fill point, and this is where you put your mains connection, not forgetting your all-important cassette toilet. As we go to the rear of this motorhome, very quickly, I normally talk fast, but this is faster than ever, we have got a reversing camera. The double doors open, like so, and you can see it's got the day sofa that turns into a superb French bed. As we look under here, you'll see you've got access so you can store longer things, and there's also an access point from within. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of freshly mown grass. So, as we go down the side of the CV60, again, you can see to the top that we've had this thing fitted with a canopy. Let's go inside, Wendy, it's getting on my nerves. On entry to the CV60, we have got the fly screen that pulls across. So that'll protect you from the midges if you do the NEL 500. As we come in, we'll take a closer look here at the driving seats. Easily pivot around to turn this into a superb lounge area. Both seats will pivot. It's got the head unit, it's got aircon, it's the automatic gearbox, it's got the driver's pack fitted, and this here is where your reversing camera screen is. We have had it fitted with a microwave. Fantastic area here, so if you do take something out of your microwave, you can rest it there. Storage, a tidy place to put the podium leg for your table, which will fit here. As we come in, we can see our kitchen area, which is well equipped for a van. Work surface extension, and here our customers love the drawers. So you've got 4 fully opening, useful drawers. A mains connection and the control for your electric step. We have great cupboard storage, a 3-burner gas ring, a combi oven with a grill, and even more storage drawers. And another little opening flap just there. Again, for a van, the storage in here is phenomenal. As we come down to the bedroom area, you can see what a lovely space this is. So of an evening you can get comfortable and watch a film. There's a TV bracket around this corner, and then this pulls out into a good sized bed. Every window in here has fly screens and blinds. The rear windows open. However, when you do buy this, bear in mind there isn't a fly screen on the back for when you have those doors open. So always act with caution. We've got good storage here and 3 more cupboards here. Behind Wendy, I forgot to show you this, we've got a wardrobe. Inside that wardrobe is your freestanding, well, your tabletop to go on that podium that I just showed you. And also we've got the fridge. The fridge is a fridge that just works on mains and battery. It doesn't have a gas facility. Yeah. Take a look in the washroom with our Wendy. We've got the cassette toilet. We've got storage up there, the vanity sink, and this pulls out and connects up there. So you've also got a shower as well. Brilliant. So in this under 6 metres, neat and compact motorhome, I think you've got everything that you need and a little bit more. So if I was you, I'd get yourself over to Dometic Leisure Kingdom, get having a look around this, and you know what, I think you might want to buy it. Look forward to seeing you on site soon.